Why do my hardwood floors feel warmer after replacing my HVAC system? Your new heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system may be distributing heat more evenly, reducing drafts and changing how warm air moves through your home. Older systems often heat unevenly, leaving some rooms cold while warm air collects near the ceiling. A newer system may have better airflow, tighter ductwork, and more accurate temperature controls, so heat reaches the floor more consistently. If your old ducts leaked, heated air may have escaped into attics, crawl spaces, or walls before reaching the rooms. Replacing or sealing those ducts can make the floor feel warmer because less heated air is wasted. Some new systems also run their blower at lower speeds for longer periods, which gently mixes warm air instead of sending short bursts into one area. This can reduce cold spots near exterior walls and windows. Hardwood also feels warmer when the room has fewer drafts, even if the floor itself has not increased much in temperature. A lesser-known detail is that your feet sense heat transfer, so a floor with less airflow across its surface can feel noticeably warmer. To check the change, place a thermometer near the floor and another at chest height, then compare them while the system is running. One common mistake is assuming warmer floors always mean the system is overheating the house, so check the thermostat and room temperatures before changing settings. Another mistake is blocking supply vents with rugs or furniture, which can create uneven heating. Keep vents clear and open. People also sometimes ignore humidity because very dry air can make wood feel different and may cause gaps, while excessive moisture can make boards swell. Use a humidity monitor and aim for a steady indoor level recommended for your flooring. If one area feels much hotter than the rest, have the duct balance, insulation, and return air openings inspected rather than simply lowering the thermostat. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.